Having trouble with Dola AI syncing your calendar? Maybe new events aren't appearing, reminders are delayed, or changes aren't updating across your devices. In this tutorial, I'll show you several practical fixes that can help restore Dola AI syncing and keep your schedule up to date. Start by confirming that your device has a stable internet connection. Dola AI needs continuous access to the internet to communicate with your connected calendar services. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or reconnect to your network before testing the sync again. Next, refresh the connection between Dola AI and your calendar. Open Dola AI settings, locate your connected calendar accounts, and allow the app a few moments to synchronize. If a manual refresh option is available, use it and wait until syncing completes. If events still aren't syncing, check that Dola AI has permission to access your calendar. Open your system settings and confirm that calendar access is enabled, so without the proper permissions, Dola AI won't be able to read or create events. Sometimes the connection between Dola AI and your calendar expires. Disconnect your Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, or Outlook Calendar account, then connect it again using the correct account credentials. This often refreshes authorization and fixes syncing problems. Outdated software can also interfere with syncing. Check for updates to Dola AI, your browser if you're using the web version, and your calendar application. Installing the latest version ensures you have recent bug fixes and compatibility improvements. After making these changes, restart Dola AI completely. Create a simple test event with a clear title and check whether it appears in your connected calendar after a short delay. If it syncs correctly, your connection has likely been restored. Those are the most effective ways to fix Dola AI sync issues. In most cases, checking your connection, refreshing the calendar link, reviewing permissions, and reconnecting your account will solve the problem. If syncing still doesn't work, contact Dola AI support with details about your device and calendar provider. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.